I will tell you the two best and perfect ways to change your desktop background, desktop screen, and you will be able to change the desktop wallpapers. And I'm sure you will love that. So the very first thing here is to open your browser, and at the very top, we need to type pexels.com and hit enter. And here you can search whatever you want. Like if I need water drops wallpaper, I have searched it. And let's say this is I want, I'll simply click on download. And at the top right corner, I'll see it is downloaded. I'll click on open, and then I'll do a right click on that. And the fourth option says set as lock screen or background. I'll select background and I'll close it. I'll close the browser and here we go. So we have successfully customized the wallpaper on the desktop, and you can also try that. You can search whatever the wallpaper you want, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Do let me know in the comment section about this wallpaper which I have set, and I'll be glad if you do so. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care.